Hey guys, this is Dr. Herb. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Let's look into the brainstem. The brainstem nuclei, which is derived from the alar and the basal lamina. So the first one, it includes the midbrain. So here in the midbrain, let's look into the alar lamina. That includes the colliculi, the substantia nigra (SM), then the red nucleus, as well as the mesencephalic nucleus of the trigeminal nerve. So mesencephalic nuclei of the trigeminal nerve. Now let's look at the basal lamina. This is in terms of the midbrain. This includes the oculomotor nucleus. Next is the Edinga vespa nucleus. Then comes the trochlear nucleus. Then moving on to the pons. The alar nuclei, it includes the pontine nuclei. Then the vestibular nuclei, the cochlear nuclei. Then comes the main sensory nuclei of the trigeminal. Then the nucleus of the spinal tract. And this is of the trigeminal nerve. Then comes the nucleus of the tractus solitarius. Now let's look at the basal lamina pons. So this includes the motor nucleus of the trigeminal nerve. Then comes the motor nucleus of the facial nerve and the nucleus of the abducens nerve, the superior salivatory nucleus, as well as the lacrimatory nucleus. Lastly, the medulla oblongata. The medulla oblongata, we are writing it as MO. So here the alar lamina, what does it include? Alar lamina, it includes the inferior olivary nuclei. Alar lamina, inferior olivary nuclei. There is also the vestibular nuclei. There is a nucleus of the spinal tract of trigeminal nerve. Spinal tract or the trigeminal nerve. Next is the nucleus of the tractus solitarius, as well as the part of the dorsal nucleus vagus. Part of the dorsal nucleus vagus. Now, what about the basal lamina? And this is the under the medulla oblongata. It contains a part of the dorsal nucleus of vagus and also the inferior salivatory nucleus, the nucleus of ambiguous. Next is the hypoglossal nucleus. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.